This is Got Lily, and I'm in my kitchen. I am getting ready to turn some light on. Cook me some spaghetti. First of all, I got to clean up the kitchen sink. I have dirty dishes in it, so I'm going to clean up the kitchen sink. People in the ghetto all the time, you can't run to the store and buy dish towels. So what I use, I have the old white ones that I bleach, and I cut them up, and I make dish towels out of that. And see, that one, you can tell it's got stains and it's soiled. But when I pull them out of the drawer, they're like new, brand new, you see. And this is perfectly clean, you see, perfectly white. And this is what we do. These have to be washed. This is what I've been using. And you always have dish towels. And when you cut the towels like that, you just throw them away when you get done if they get too grimy. But you always got clean dish towels. And then I use bleach and bleach them up. And so this is what I want. And I bought these from a dollar store. The clock is a clock that my daughter had, and I repainted it. She didn't want no longer. She used grapes. And these are pads and stuff that you buy at the dollar store. I bought contacts and contact my walls, you see. And that's why you get the nice look around the stove, you see. Which gives it a nice little artistic look. I did that. So this is the kitchen. And what I'm getting ready to do, this is Got Lily Kitchen, and I'm getting ready to straighten it up and cook my spaghetti.